Sai Ram, dear children, wish you a very good morning and I hope you all are well. So children, let's do our prayer and then start our chapter. Join your hands and close your eyes and start the prayer. Om. 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 Sai Ram. So children, today we are doing our new chapter, Work We Do. In this chapter, you can see the picture, the construction work is going on, floor seller is selling floors and the traffic police is controlling the traffic, and the flower seller is selling flower and fruit seller is selling fruits. Okay, so let's start. Like other days, Ramesh was doing mason work. Mason means construction of home. Ramesh was a contractor who take contracts for constructing the homes. Okay. He reached the tea stall and after taking his breakfast, he reached the tea stall where he usually sits, and his brother Rajesh, who had come from the village, was also with him. And this day, Rajesh, his cousin brother, came from his village. Okay, the worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea, and look here in this picture, a small worker on the tea stall gave him the cup of tea. Now Rajesh asked Ramesh, don't you feel bored sitting here for the whole day? Then Rajesh said, no, I will do my work, and look here around many people are doing different work and I do my time passed easily. One day one does not realize how the time flies, and sitting here I don't realize how my time passes. Look at the group of children. Look how many children are there, as they usually late for school. Usually they are late for school, and today their teacher is also late. Her sandal is broken and she will go to Jaggu Bhai and he will repair and get some money. Okay, when in this way Rajesh is explaining the whole picture to the Ramesh is explaining the whole picture to the Rajesh. Champa is sitting here with her basket full of flowers. The lady with the basket of flowers named Champa, and she sells the flowers to the lady working in the post office every day. The construction workers will again busy for the whole day. He is telling that as the construction work completed, some more work came, and the truck brings the material, and the workers will be busy for the whole day. Look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together, and look how the doctor and nurses are entering the hospital. And Raji is a fruit seller who is selling the fruit, and today he brings Mamta with him. And Mamta, what does Mamta do? Mamta delivers the fruit and collects the money. Okay, she is helping Raisi. Okay, Nanu the barbers has laid out his shop, but whom will he shave? Nanu barber has opened a shop, but whom will he shave means whom will he shave means who will be his customer. Okay, right in the middle of the crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Okay, throughout the day he blows his whistle. Iqbal, who is Iqbal Singh? Iqbal Singh is the traffic police. He blows the whistle and keeps shouting, move your vehicle from here. Hey, have you heard me? Take the cart away. Means what does the Iqbal Singh do? He said, road mein side mein chalo, walk on your own side. Okay, in this way he guides the everyone and tell the fruit sellers to take away their carts. Okay, saying this, Ramesh put down his empty cup, and after telling all this, Ramesh put down his empty cup. How do people sell their things at the crossroad or weekly market? Do the act. Okay, now this is your activity. That how Ramesh tell him that how on the roads people sell their things and weekly market activity. Okay, so now activity is there. Look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by the people. From the above pictures you have to tell what the works people are doing, and you have to fill this. Okay, we will do this in the PDF also, but once you try by watching the pictures. Okay, what kind of work people do in your neighborhood? Do name any five. What are these workers called? Okay, like repair car and scooter, we call them mechanic. Those who sells fruits, fruit seller. Those who sold vegetables, then vegetable sellers, okay, vendors, okay. Now shops nearby you who are selling the daily use materials, okay, they are kirana stores. Or then if any hospital is nearby, dispensary is nearby, then you can write doctor or dispensary, okay. In this way you have to explain this. I will send you the answers in PDF also, but you can also understand it by seeing in your neighborhood what people do the work in their for their livelihood, and what their profession is called, okay. In the picture on the page, first page of lesson, some buildings have been shown. In this list, put the pink or red dot on the names of these buildings, and also put green dot on the names of those buildings that are in your surrounding, okay. Post office, hospital and temple. Post office and hospital are given in this picture, and temple maybe is in your surrounding, so you can take. So basically students, what you have to do, जो चीज़ें पिक्चर में ऊपर बुक में दिखाई गई है फर्स्ट पेज पे, उनके लिए आपको पिंक डॉट डालना है, और इनमें से जो नीचे गिवन है जो भी पॉइंट्स आपके नेबरहुड में है उनके लिए आपको ग्रीन डॉट डालना है, ओके. सो ऑल दिस एक्टिविटी वी आर गोइंग टू डू इन आवर PDF. सो लेट्स डू द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ ऑफ द चैप्टर, हाउस होल्ड वर्क, कि घर में क्या काम होते हैं. दीपाली इज ऑल्सो वन सच गर्ल हु डजंट गो टू स्कूल. दीपाली eldest child in her family, okay. She is the bigger one in all her, elder one in all her brothers and sister, okay. Her father sells vegetable, his father is a vegetable seller, and he leaves for the mandi very early in the morning, and his father went to vegetable markets very early, okay, and sell vegetable there. Her mother washes utensils in some house, and her mother is a homemaid, and she washes utensils in other people's house, okay. She also leaves for work early in the morning, and Dipali is also a housemaid, okay. Dipali cooks food for her brother and sister. In the morning she cooks food for her brother and sister, and she clean the house and also washes the utensils, and she do all the household work of her own house, and she is very fond of listening to the radio, and she loves to listen to radio. She listens to the songs while she works, and while she is working she listens to the song. After finishing the work at home, she goes to drop her brother with their father, okay. When she completes her household work, then she drop her brother with their father, okay. She send her brother to his father, okay. She then takes her younger sister Suman and Sheila to school, and after that she send her sisters to school. After that Dipali help her mother in her work, and after that Dipali also went with her mother for their housemaid works, okay, to help her in their housemaid work. In the afternoon she brings her brothers and sisters back home, and afternoon again she brings sister and brother at home, and in this way in evening she plays with other children in the neighborhood, and in the evening she went for play, and her mothers come back home late in the evening, and as her mother is a housemaid, and she works in many houses, so she came late in the evening. So Dipali help mother to cook dinner, okay, and her father also come home very late at night. At night Dipali loves to lie in bed and read her sister's school books, and in the night what she did when she is going to sleep, because before she sleeps she loved to read the books of her sisters, okay, sister's school books. She has studied up to class 3, and she after class 3 she had to leave studies because of her family condition. 3 years back when her little brother was born, she had to stay back at home to care of him, because her mother is a housemaid, so she can't send her school, because she has a little brother also, and her mother is a housemaid, so she went for work, and Dipali take care of her little brother. She feels the reading books helps her to know more things, and now she is back to schools and goes regularly, okay. Now she is going back to school, and now she is going regularly. So this is a story about Dipali. Now basically I tell you in short. दीपाली एक हाउस वर्कर जो मेड्स होती है उनकी डॉटर है, बिकॉज ऑफ आर फैमिली कंडीशंस, जैसे कि उनका छोटा भाई था, उसकी वजह से उसकी मम्मी लोगों के घर पे काम करने जाती थी. देन दीपाली लुक आफ्टर ऑफ हर ब्रदर, एंड शी हैड टू लेफ्ट द स्कूल, एंड बट शी love to study. That's why she is back to studies. And in between this period she struggled a lot. She worked at her home, she take care of her household work, and even after that she help her mother in her housemaid work. Okay, so about this uh, activity, what does Dipali do in their house? She do cleaning, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, and dusting, and cooking food for little brother and sister, and sending them to school, and taking them back. Okay, do you understand? Then you have to write the name of the work, like if you are helping your mom in making food and all, or in dusting of house, and in washing of clothes, or cleaning of utensil, whatever the help you are doing to your parents. Beside household work, what you do, any other work at home? Okay, beside this work, household work, any other work do you do? घर के काम के अलावा अगर आप कोई और काम अपने मम्मी की हेल्प करते हो या घर पे कोई और काम करते हो तो आपको इसमें लिखना है. ओके, now this is a clock, and given below are some daily activities show on the face of the clocks. At what time you do? Okay, here is time. Wake up in the morning, you have to fill which time you what work you do. Okay, when you wake up, when you go to school, in this clock you have to make your wake up time, when you go to school, return from school, and sit down to the study at home, and go to play, sleep at night. You have to make the clocks. Okay, and the small needle of the clock is for hour, and the longer one is for the minutes. Okay, so you have to make this. And second activity is, which of your family members do household work? Okay, your family members and the work they do related to household work. Okay, घर का काम only. So second activity is, which of your family members do work to earn money? Means those family members who earn money for your family, like your father, your brother, or maybe your mother is also working, so you can write what work they do. Okay, which of your family members do work but do not get money for it? Okay, which of the family members do work? Means your mothers do every work for your family, but she is not earning money, she is earning your love only. So, okay, in this way you can write in this, like your grandparents, you are taking care of you. Okay, and your brother and sister who help you in your homework. Okay, but they are not doing work for money. So one small story is again here. Sarla asked her grandmother the same question. Nani replied, when I was child, I would help my elders to collect firewood, make cow dungs, and plaster walls with cow dung. Okay, so Sarla asked her grandmother that what work you do at home. Okay, so Nani replied, I help my elders to collect firewoods. मीन्स लकड़ियाँ आग जलाने के लिए. ओके, मेक काउडंग केक्स. ओके, काउडंग के केक्स बनाते थे वो. एंड प्लास्टर वॉल्स विद द काउडंग. एंड वॉल्स पे क्या करते थे? प्लास्टर्स करते थे. मीन्स जैसे अभी सीमेंट से प्लास्टर होते हैं, पहले काउडंग से होते थे, तो वो काउडंग से करते थे. बट नाउ जैसे हम कच्चा हाउसेस बोलते हैं, तो कच्चा हाउसेस में प्लास्टर्स किससे होते थे? काउडंग से होते थे. बट नाउ वी हैव ए स्टोव दैट वर्क्स ऑन द गोबर गैस. एंड नाउ इन हर नानीज फैमिली a stove is there which works on the gobar gas connection, and the floor and the wall of the house are cemented, and now their house is cemented. There is no need for Sarla to do some of the jobs that her grandmother did in her childhood. Now grandmother is telling that you no need to do the same works because now time has changed. Okay, and now these activities I will send you the PDF. So children, watch the video 2 to 3 times and understand the concept of the chapter about the household work, or the work we do in our daily life, and the work the people do, we see people doing in their daily life. You the PDF of the chapter also. Okay, and all the best for your exam. Please do well, and submit your exams on the date of submission. Okay, take care. Bye bye.